To use Apple Pay on Meta Quest 2, start by ensuring your device is updated to the latest software version. Open the Meta Quest 2 app on your iPhone and navigate to the Settings menu. Scroll down and select Payments. Then click on Add Payment Method. Select Apple Pay as your payment method and follow the prompts to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You may be asked to verify your identity with your bank or card issuer. Once verified, your Apple Pay account will be linked to your Meta Quest 2. To make a purchase using Apple Pay on Meta Quest 2, put on your headset and navigate to the store. Select the item you want to purchase and click the Buy Now button. You will be prompted to confirm the payment method. Select Apple Pay and confirm the transaction. Your purchase will be processed using the default card associated with your Apple Pay account. You can change the default card in the Meta Quest 2 app on your iPhone by going to Settings, then Payments, and selecting the default payment card. For security purposes, always keep your Meta Quest 2 and iPhone up to date with the latest software versions. Use a strong passcode and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. By following these steps, you can securely and easily use Apple Pay on your Meta Quest 2 to purchase games, apps, and other virtual reality experiences.